Give me a bit of freedom, and I'll be happy. Ew. It's driving me wild. This sweet, sweet smell of freedom. I'll protect everyone! Push forward, Commander! Hurrah!
Crash the mission briefing. I know what you want.
Meow. Here we go, and meow like this.
The Revenant now, wait in line. We've got plenty for everyone. The Revenant's battling again. Son of a gun's got a filthy mouth.
Try some of my specialty.
So you wrapped your poor little guy.
It's your turn, and meow like this.
Mission accomplished.
No one stands above a kitty in the end.
Yes, I understand.
Just wait for us to get back, Doctor.
Wow, looks awfully dangerous. You call me out for this?
I'll protect it.
Always so focused on the ground. But have you forgotten to look above?
Mine and Teresa's emotions.
Anyone hungry? Out and about.
The Revenant's battling again. So now, wait in line. We got plenty for everyone. So you racked your brain and came up with a plan of plopping me here. Bravo!
Here we go. You think you've got all the trimmings, don't you?
Love will heal our scars.
Mission accomplished.
I don't want to lose anyone else. I'll carry on this fight for every sacrifice and all those still.
Princess of the leader!
These wonderful days just never end.
Everyone, no need to have cold feet here.
So you wrapped your revenants. Ow! Who says there's always a countdown?
Try some of my specialty!
This staff is bound to my thoughts.
Oh, pick me! Pick me!
Solid positioning.
Anya here. Anya nostalgia won't slow my steps.
Out and about.
Trash the mission briefing. I know what you want. So you wrapped your brain and came. So you wrapped. Always so focused on the ground. But have you forgotten to look above?
Try some of my specialty!
Tell me, what's your plan?
Oh, pick me! Pick me!
Anya here.
Like a shadow. I will protect everyone!
Mission accomplished.
Slice them up like a millefeuille. How do you like it?
Here, Sand Beast. We need to get going.
You people, I don't think I'll even remember your faces after this one. Anyway, let's just get started.
Wow, looks awfully dangerous. You call me out for this?
Mine and Teresa's.
Always so focused on the ground. But have you forgotten to look above?
Anya, through the grim perils of the longest night, we shall breach into the promised dawn.
Mission accomplished.
Do you like my nails? Guess what I used to paint them? These wonderful days just never end.
Solid positioning.
This staff is bound to my thoughts.
Come on, Cherry Quasi Tesoro! Yeah, you're here for me as needed.
Trash the mission briefing. I know what you want.
Got my boat and that's as far as you go.
I will protect everyone. Anyone hungry?
The Revenant's battle. Now, wait in line. We got plenty for everyone.
Let me do it.
So you racked your brain and came up with a plan of
Out and about. Ready to fight. Meow, you think you've got all the trimmings, don't you?
The Revenant's battle. Always so focused on the ground. But have you forgotten to look above?
Anya here. Love will heal our scars.
Here, you think you've got all the trimmings, don't you?
The Revenant's battle. Now, wait in line. We got plenty for everyone.
That's some of my specialty. Here, careful, kittens. Don't lose your mittens.
Got my boat. I'm done rambling in the dark.
Here's something yummy for you.
Got my boat and that's as far as you go.
Anyone hungry?
Just try me!
Trash the mission briefing. I know what you want. So you wrapped your... Now, wait in line. We got plenty for everyone.
Meow. Nuh-uh-uh. Don't get carried away. Push forward, Commander! Hurrah! Here, careful, kittens. Don't lose your mittens.
Mission accomplished.
What a thrilling battle. Now what does this doctor standing next to me think, looking out over the battlefield? Nah, save it. I'm not all that interested.
I fight alongside you once again, Doctor, with a sword that...
You people, I don't think I'll even remember your faces after this one. Anyway, let's just get started.
Wish I didn't scare you.
You lot stay up there if it gets risky. Point where I've threaded my position. Yeah, not anymore soon.
I'm ready to fight.
Wow, looks awfully dangerous. You call me out for this?
Out and about.
Negotiations are useless here.
Solid positioning. Tell me, what's your plan?
You lot stay up there if it gets risky. Now, wait in line. We got plenty for everyone. Point with the nets as far as you go. Got my bolts kitted. Point where I'm cleaning up.
Like a shadow. Let me do it! Here, you think you've got all the trimming.
Poor little guy. It's your unlucky day.
Mission accomplished.
Sun's out. What a beauty. Sand beast, let's get home.
Where stand the wilds? Where stand the city?
Ew. It's driving me wild. The sweet, sweet smell of freedom.
Revenant's back. Disasters always count.
Mine and Teresa's emotions. I'll manifest them here.
Mission Mission accomplished.
Slice them up like a millefeuille. How do you like it?
Just wait for us to get back, Doctor.
Trash the mission briefing. I know.
You lot stay up there if it gets risky.
Trash the mission briefing. I know what you want.
You lot stay up there.
Poor little guy. It's your unlucky day.
Point where I'm cleaning up.
Accomplished.
Do you like my nails? Guess what I used to paint them?
You will obtain the result that you seek.
Sound of muddy air, tracks of animal. I'll keep a watch that way.
Mine and Teresa's emotions. I'll manifest them here.
Trash the mission briefing. I know what you want.
This staff is back.
Poor little guy. It's your unlucky day. Do you like my nails? Guess what I used to paint them?
questions are destined to be answered. Rules bound to be analyzed.
Let's keep moving forward.
They will cough up some useful information. I will handle your wounds will be rather striking.
Wow, looks awfully dangerous. You call me out for this?
The depths will devour your...
Now, wait in line. We got plenty for everyone.
This execution is not worth witnessing.
Get up! There'll be no bending of the knee.
This staff.
Your useless tricks will only make your death more miserable. This execution is not worth witnessing.
Your weapons are right at your fingertips. Why wait?
For them, the bell tolls.
You lot stay up there if it gets risky. Point well, and that's as far as you go. Got my bolts kitted.
Trash the mission briefing. I know what you want.
Finally, I can limber up.
Your weapons are right at your fingertips. Why wait?
Revenant's battling, always so focused on the ground. But having forgotten to look above?
Thus, I speak.
Mr. Fire, I knew you were right away. Solid positioning.
The scent in the air is changing.
You lot stay up there if it gets risky.
I event the curtain of destiny.
Look, Mr. Fire, I knew you were right away.
Got my book. I'm done rambling in the dark.
Mission accomplished.
It's over. Ah, che noia.
あなたの指揮に従う。Let's keep moving forward.
Everyone, no need to have cold feet here.
Solid positioning. Come on, tesoro.
The scent in the air is changing.
Trash the mission briefing. I know what you want.
Yeah, you'll hear from me as needed. Point where I'm done rambling in the dark.
Your weapons are right at your fingertips. Why wait?
The Revenant's back door, little guy. It's your unlucky day.
I'm ready to fight.
This staff.
Here's something yummy for you.
Look like you're not disappointed, my friend.
Anyone hungry? Point where I'm cleaning up.
This exit.
Anyone hungry? Point where I thread at my position. Yeah, not anymore soon. Push forward, Commander! Hurrah!
I'm nostalgia. Won't slow my steps.
The Revenant's now, wait in line. We got plenty for everyone.
I hear that your useless tricks will only make your death more miserable.
The bad guys should just give up. With the doctor on our side, they'll never beat us.
Come in, Commander. This is just...
There's a mission? I wanna go!
Understood. I'll focus on support.
These wonderful days just never end.
Good scenery here, Doctor. Gather around me, guys.
Trash the mission briefing. I know what you want.
For them, the bell tolls.
The Revenant's back always so focused on the ground. But have you forgotten to look above?
Gather around me, guys.
They will cough up some useful information.
Get up! There'll be no bending of the knee.
With all of you behind me, I won't be counting on you again today, little apple.
Your weapons are right at your fingertips. Why wait?
Mine and Teresa's emotions. I'll manifest them.
Negotiations like
Who says there's always a countdown?
Whew, we're counting on you again today, little apple. Yeah, you'll hear from me as needed. Got my bolts kitted.
Solid positioning.
Just try me! Roger, Wilco. Drawing the bead on the target. In position.
Come on, Shitty. Always so focused on the
Mission
ground.
accomplished.
But have you forgotten?
Flawless victory! I was pretty good, wasn't I, Doctor?
Ah, the parade's here.
Trash the mission briefing. I know what you want.
Solid position.
I have to get serious now.
Just try me.
wish I didn't scare you.
Headed into the thick of it. Roger will be advised. Target eliminated. I have to get serious now.
No need to cover up. If see
Thus, ice, just as incantations must be restrained, so too must the enemy.
Concentrate.
Come on, Sherry, quasi tesoro.
So you wrapped your poor little guy. It's your unlucky day.
This execution is not worth this.
Fine visibility. I can see more than just danger.
Can you do it?
It's the front line for me after all. It's the front line for me after all.
This staff is bound to my thoughts.
Just try me.
In position. Drawing the bead on the target.
Look, young, you must disappointing. My friends.
Mission accomplished.
逃げても無駄だ。抗え。たとえやむなき抵抗であっても。それが私の知る唯一の苦しみとの向き合い方だ。
here to help.
Come on, c'eri quasi, tesoro.
Whew. We're counting on you again today, little apple.
Wow, looks awfully dangerous. You call me out for this?
Thus, I speak.
Just try me.
Whew. I have to get serious now.
Concentrate. So you wrapped your... Who says there's always a countdown?
Your weapons are right. Come on, c'eri quasi, tesoro.
This staff is bound to my thoughts.
Whew. Gather around me, guys.
The Revenant's battling again. Son of a cunt's got filthy mouth.
Yeah, you'll hear from me as needed.
They will cough up some useful information.
This show has not disappointed.
Gather around me, guys.
The Revenant's battling... Who says there's always a countdown?
Mythology behind me. I won't take a single step back.
I hear that. Who takes joy in the fall? They will cough up some useful information.
The Revenant's back now. With Nexus.
Who takes joy in the fall?
Roger, Wilco. Don't come any closer. Deploying.
Any tears will bathe new life.
This show, this spotlight shines on us.
I'm ready to fight.
The Revenant's always so focused on the ground. But have you forgotten to look above?
Solga, the fairy of the other side.
Mission accomplished.